Hey everyone, this is Chris over here at AceVacuums, your one-stop shop for all your cleaning needs. We just want to talk a little bit today about some of the repairs and some of the servicing that we do in the areas we work. We get a lot of calls from people out in Bluemont. We are a quick drive right up Route 7, maybe 10 to 15 minutes right up Route 7 from you guys. So we do service everybody in that area in Bluemont and all that stuff down 7. So if you're in the Bluemont area and you're having problems with your vacuum not working, if it's not picking up, loss of suction, burning smell, rollers not spinning, or it just won't turn on, stop in and see us. We can help you out with all your vacuum repair needs. Before you decide to chuck it, come see us. We offer free estimates. So if it's something small and minor like what I just said, those are very common issues with a lot of vacuums that we see, and really easy to work on and fix. And sometimes we even offer same day repairs. So if you're in a pinch and you need the vacuum back, or you don't want to make the drive back out, to come back and pick it up, bring it in, we'll take a look at it and just let us know that you're trying to get a same day repair, and we can certainly accommodate you for those repairs. We do everything from Bissell, Dyson, Hoover, Ork, Electrolux, Kirby, Miele, pretty much every vacuum brand out there. We can almost look at them and work on them. Now, our repair process is we're open 7 days a week. There's no appointment necessary. You just bring the vacuum in. If it's something where we have to order parts, you may have to leave it for 1 day or 2 days. And then once we get your approval on the work, on the estimate, we'll go ahead and order the parts, get them in, and get it worked on, and give you a call or text when it's done. If it's a warranty issue for like your Miele or your Shark or your Bissell or your Dyson or whatever it is, let us know up front that it's a warranty issue, and make sure you bring your proof of purchase in, as well as your basic information we'll need to get from you. Again, we'll submit everything to the manufacturer. Once we get the parts, we'll call you as soon as it's ready for pickup. Don't forget to follow us on TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, as well as YouTube. Subscribe to our channels, and that way you can keep up to date with everything we got going on. We do repairs, we do sales, we do warranty work, we do central vac systems. So if you're in need of anything cleaning wise, come see us here at AceVacuums and we'll get you taken care of. Thanks, guys.